Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics, and if you love just vintage Halloween, this is your block of the month, designed right here at Shabby Fabrics. This is called Vintage Haunt. It's a Halloween block of the month. One of our favorite things to do is design projects that just excite our customers, and we hope that you love this as much as we do. I love that, fun retro Halloween. I don't like scary Halloween. I don't know about you, but we don't like that. We love kind of touching back to that vintage Halloween when we were kids out trick-or-treating, and you can see that coloring kind of takes us back into those good old days, right? This is an 8-month Halloween block of the month where you're getting a portion of the quilt each month, your backgrounds, all of your pre-fused laser cut applique. And because we're the designers, you're going to know you're going to get an amazing pattern, including full-size diagrams where you can take your applique shapes along with your light box, your layout diagram, your applique mat, and do all of that pre-assembly so you can move everything onto the background. And remember, that's where it's just a temporary, positioning of applique shapes. That's where the 50 weight sulky thread set comes in. And isn't that beautiful? I love the colors. Those are the exact colors that we stitched all of the shapes down with. So in addition to grabbing your spot, limited as always in your thread set, this is the backing that we've chosen. This is just perfect, of course, to be on the back of your project. Now, of course, we always need notions when we're doing any given project, but let me call your attention to the ones that were significant to us and may be important to you as well. For sure, the number one recommended notion is the light box. If you don't already have one, this is the great time to just make that investment. Treat yourself to this. This is going to completely revolutionize your love for applique and your accuracy for applique. And things like this, which you can imagine are a lot of shapes. Us trying to get that exactly aligned visually one by one, it's not going to happen. But with that process, it is possible even for a brand new beginner quilter to accomplish even a center block like this with all of those shapes. By the way, all of this here, laser cut for you. Can you imagine tracing out the frame of that window and trying to cut it out? It's just not, it's not fun, and it's not going to be nearly as accurate. So we really pour our whole heart into all of our programs, especially our block of the months. The other options for you would be our star singles. Right here, you can see we have some half square triangles. If you already have a tried and true way you like to make half square triangles that's accurate, you don't need that. But if you like to have a fast and efficient way with really precise half square triangles, just be sure to pick up the 2-inch star singles. And these are the other notions on the table we used. Of course, all of the normal things. The rotary cutter, the patchwork pins, good thread. We used Aurifil on the piecing of this particular quilt. But like I say every single time, because there's always limited space, if this is your look, or maybe you know someone that loves Halloween, that you're willing to spend that time, grab your spot, grab your backing, your thread set. And if you haven't had an opportunity or a reason yet to grab that light box, today is that day. And don't forget the applique mat. That's an important combination that are used together. And of course, any other notions you might need. I'll say it again. If you haven't subscribed, or maybe you have friends in your quilting circle that haven't subscribed, let them know. This is the place to be. I look forward to seeing you soon on another video.